Hi there, want to transfer files wirelessly between different devices? Whether it is Windows, Mac, Android or iOS. In this video, I will show you a simple way to do it. And the best part, this trick works on all devices and platforms. Hi, I am Rushi and you are watching Code by Rushi. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer files from mobile to laptop. Open any browser and search for that official. Click on the first link. Now, you will see a simple interface. Now, simply click on Nearby Device option. A QR code will be generated automatically. Keep this screen open. Now open the same website on your mobile and tap on Select File button. Now choose the file you want to transfer. A pop-up will appear. Click OK. Again, a pop-up will appear with a link to share your file. You can click on the link, it will automatically copy to your clipboard, or click on the share button, send it via apps like email, WhatsApp or any other platforms. To transfer the file to your laptop, click on share to nearby PC button. Your camera will open. Now simply scan the QR code displayed on your laptop screen. And boom, the file transfer starts instantly and within seconds it's done. Toffeeshare is the fast, free and secure file sharing platform with no size limit. It doesn't require any account and works on all devices and platforms. Your data stays private with end-to-end encryption. However, both users must be online at the same time of the file transfer. It doesn't offer any cloud storage and a stable internet connection is must be needed. Alright, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Code by Rushi and I will see you in the next video.